Welcome to the brightest, loudest and most delicious street in the world. I am currently in Dotonbori, Osaka. If Tokyo is Japan's brain, Osaka is definitely its stomach. But honestly, this place is absolute chaos. Look at that gate, mechanical crab over there. It's moving its leg as if it's trying to escape being eaten. Today, I'm talking through the heaven and the hell of Dotonbori. By the end of this video, you will know if this place is a food paradise or just a giant tourist trap. Let's go. First thing you see is this, the Glico Running Man. He's been running here since 1935. Why? Nobody knows. But everyone stands on this bridge and does the same pose. It's like a law here. If you don't take a photo with the Glico Man, did you even visit Osaka? Looking at this crowd, do you think people come here for the history or just for the Instagram photo? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think the vibe here is organized madness. In Tokyo, people walk in the straight lines. In here, Osaka, it's even man for himself. It feels alive. Now, let's talk about food. Basically, people here stand so much on food that they go broke. And looking at these Takoyaki stands, I understand why. It costs about 600 yen for 6 pieces. It's burning hot, it's covered in sauce, and it's heaven in your mouth. But wait, a quick trap. Never eat the whole ball at once. You will burn your entire soul. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Have you ever tried takoyaki? Okay, let's be real for a second. The hell part of Dotonbori, the smell and the noise. Right now it smells like fried oil, grilled seafood, and well, thousands of people. If you hate crowds, this place is your nightmare. Look at this line for the famous Ichiran Ramen. People are waiting for 2 hours for a bowl of noodles. Is it worth it? Actually, probably not. There are 50 other ramen shops in the back streets. They are just as good and have zero wait time. That is the secret of Dotonbori. The best food isn't always under the biggest neon sign. One of the funniest things here are the signs. We have a giant pufferfish, a giant dragon, and a giant hand holding a piece of sushi. It feels like a 3D comic book. As the sun goes down, the energy changes. You see the street recruiters guys with fancy hair trying to get you into bars. Pro tip: if a guy with spiked hair and shiny suit invites you a cheap bar, just keep walking. That's a hell you don't want to experience. If you get overwhelmed, go down to the river walk. It's right below the main street. It's much quieter and you can see the neon lights reflecting on the water.
My job in the family is to take pictures of my family.
It's actually quite romantic until a boat full of tourists goes
Jennifer, come
past
here. Take a picture with me.
screaming konnichiwa at everyone. Would you prefer the crazy crowded street or this calm river walk? I think I'm a river person. So is Dotonbori worth it? Despite the crowds, the noise, and the overpriced souvenirs, the answer is 100% yes. You won't find this energy everywhere else in Japan. It's dirty, it's loud, it's delicious, and it's uniquely Osaka. If you enjoyed this little walk through the chaos, make sure to subscribe. I'm exploring more hidden spots Osaka tonight. And you don't want to miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, eat until you drop, but maybe keep until money for the train home. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, guys.